Differentiate 2x cubed plus 1 to the power 5. So we're going to need to use the chain rule. So we'll start with the outside function. We've got 5, 2x cubed plus 1 to the power 4, and then we have to multiply that by the differential of the inside, and if we differentiate this, we're going to get 6x squared, and so that will be 30x squared, 2x cubed plus 1 to the power 4. We're now given g dashed x is e to the 2x sine 3x. Determine a simplified value for the rate of change of g dashed of x when x is equal to pi by 2. So the rate of change of that means we need to differentiate again, and this one is a product. So we'll say that u is e to the 2x and v is sine 3x. That means du dx is, don't forget the chain rule, 2e to the 2x. dv dx is going to be 3 cos 3x. So that's going to give us g double dashed of x, which is what we want. And that's going to be v du dx, so that's 2e to the 2x sine 3x plus e to the 2x, so let's put the 3 in front there, 3e to the 2x cos 3x. And we want g double dashed of pi by 2. Okay, so that's going to be 2e to the pi sine 3 pi by 2 plus 3e to the pi cos 3 pi by 2. And we know that at 3 pi by 2, which is down here, that the sine equals -1 and the cosine equals 0. And so that one's just going to be 0, and we're going to get -2e to the pi. We now want to determine the following. So we've got the integral of 3 cos 2x. When we integrate cos, we get sine, so it's going to be 3 sine 2x, but we need a reverse chain here, so we divide by the differential of the inside function. So that is going to give us, well, just that, 3 sine 2x divided by 2 plus a constant. For this next one, it's a horrible looking fraction. Let's think about differentiating the bottom. If I differentiate the bottom, I get 6x plus 2, which is twice 3x plus 1. So what I can do here is have that as a half of 6x plus 2 over 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. And then the top is the differential of the bottom. So I now know that that's going to be a half log 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. And we want to evaluate that from 0 to 1. So substituting the 1 in gives me a half log 3 plus 2 plus 1, half log 6. Take away a half log. If we substitute 0 in there, that's just going to become 1, and ln 1 is 0, so it is just a half ln 6. Okay, and there is another part to this question. If f dash x is e to the -2x, find the expression for y equals f of x given f of 0 is -2. So f of x is going to be the integral of e to the -2x dx. So that would be e to the negative 2x divided by negative 2, remember the chain, plus a constant. So that's going to be c take away a half e to the negative 2x. But we know that f of 0 is negative 2. So negative 2 is going to be c take away a half e to the 0. So negative 2 is c take away a half, gives us c is negative 3 on 2. So f of x is going to be negative 3 on 2, take away a half e to the negative 2x.